Hey there YouTube, it's Jeff Perry with Must Be Nice Investments, and today we're going to be talking about what you're going to do in 2021 to make sure you're writing off vehicle expenses properly and taking the ultimate tax advantage for your business. So guys, have you ever heard one of your business owner friends say that they had to buy a new car before the end of the year to save massive cash on their taxes? And also, are these the types of folks that always seem to be riding around with the newest, nicest whip in the group of your friends? Well, I can tell you today there is a reason for that. Writing off business vehicle expenses can be one of the best ways to protect yourself from taxes on your real estate business or any other business for that matter. So let's talk about the actual expenses method. The actual expenses method is based on the expenses you actually incur in the operation of your vehicle. It includes things like purchasing a new vehicle. Okay guys, you bought a vehicle for $40,000 this year that you plan to use for your business. Guys, you can write off that entire $40,000 even if you took 100% loan on that. You put zero down, guys, you're going to be able to write off the entire expense of that vehicle in the first year of its operation if you choose to do so. On top of that vehicle expense, new car expense, used car expense, whatever it may be, you are going to be able to write off all of your gas purchase as they relate to your vehicle for business use. You're going to be able to write off maintenance, things like oil changes. You're going to be able to write off your tire purchases. Hell, you can even write off car washes, guys, that you're doing on your vehicle. You can write off your insurance. You can even write off vehicle depreciation. You can write off state fees for licensing and for registration, among several others. One thing, however, to keep in mind is that you can only claim the percentage of expenses that apply to the business use of your vehicle. To compute this, you must know how many miles you drove for business use and how many you drove for personal reasons. Quick, simple calculation, guys. If you had a vehicle that you had 20,000 miles on for the year, you kept up with it, 10,000 of those miles were for the business. It looks like you drove that vehicle for 50% of your business. So what you would do with that is calculate all these expenses up together and then say, hey, half of that was for business purposes. That's the amount you're going to be able to deduct on your taxes as an expense for your business. Guys, this seems like a lot. It's really not. It's very easy. If you use an accountant every year, they're going to step you through how to do this. If you want to get an estimate of what you can save on your taxes in 2021, or maybe you bought a vehicle in 2020, you kind of want to understand what is this, how is this going to impact my tax liability for the year, I'm going to suggest you go to this website, section179.org, and you can see here on the page, we got this pulled up. Guys, you will be able to input certain data here. Let's see here real quick. Going down, scrolling down, we got to $50,000. So let's just say we bought a car for $40,000. Okay, I'm going to pop that in, show my savings. The Section 179 deduction is $40,000. We're not going to do bonus depreciation. $40,000 deduction just for purchasing that car for $40,000. You're going to save an estimated $14,000 on your tax bill, depending on what your tax bracket is. But again, guys, we got to add things in like gas, insurance, registration, car washes, tires, maintenance, you name it. Guys, these things are going to add up. If you're not taking advantage of this tax shelter, you should be, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, drop a like on this video. If you love the channel, guys, I'm really working hard. Please subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you for the next one.